The power of slow movements, discipline, consistency, and transformation. Welcome, friends. In a world that moves too fast, there is great wisdom in slowing down. Slow, deliberate movements like those practiced in Tai Chi are not just graceful. They are powerful. When we move slowly, every muscle, every joint, and every breath becomes part of the exercise. The body learns precision, the mind learns focus, and the heart learns calm. Slow motion awakens awareness. It teaches us control, patience, and strength from within. And here is the beauty. You do not need long hours. 10 to 20 minutes of slow, intentional practice is enough. This is not about unnecessary repetitions or rushing through movements. It is about quality, about listening to your body, and about finding strength in stillness. Discipline means showing up. Consistency means returning day after day. And wisdom means resting on Fridays and Saturdays. Because recovery is part of growth. Rest is not the opposite of discipline, it is discipline itself. When you commit to this rhythm, slow movements reshape both body and mind. Your balance improves, your stress decreases, and your energy becomes steady and clear. You carry that calm strength into every part of life, walking, working, speaking, even thinking. Slow movements like Tai Chi teach us that true power is not in speed, but in control, not in doing more, but in doing better, and not in pushing harder, but in moving with awareness. So let's slow down, let's breathe deeply, let's embrace the discipline of moving with purpose and discover the quiet strength that comes from within.